Kitalo nnyo Enyonyi ya Uganda EGUDDE abantu abafiiriddemu ebibaddewo n'ebirala bingi ebisingako bina mbikuleetedde maaso ogenda kubyerabirako ate nga wano sister affe asaba ku magezi myaka 23 ne musajja gwayagala mufumbo ebintu bimusumbuwa n'ebirala bingi nnyo. Nyongera okujjukiza Jana Airport Pickup osoti asibete n'omuno jampuliriza Jana Airport Pickup nyongera bakubiriza mujembuke ng'emiwendo gikyali wansi ddala muneesige mbatambuze ku layisi jamu inbox tuwogerezeganye tuteese tetusobola kulemererwa enamba yaffe 0704 44 40 58 katugende maaso weerabireko biki ebikwatagana ku nnyonyi eyo yagudde biki ebyabaddewo n'ebirala
mu mawulire ge tulinawo kino tekiri fantastic. Waliwo ennyonyi ya Uganda eya Bombardier ebadde saturatinga ku mutimbagano gwa Facebook nga bagamba nti yagudde era yatuuse bulungi ku ttaka e Sudan. Njagala okubategeeza abasinga badde babuuza ebibuuzo nti ennyonyi ye eri mu mbeera ki oba ettaka liri mu mbeera ki. Amawulire gano ga bulimba kino kye tuyita false news oba fake news. Kino kyetaagisa omuntu alina obwongo oba omuntu omukugu mu kye tuyita AI generation. Bwe tuba twogera ku AI generation, artificial intelligence esobola okulaga engeri ebigambo ebiri ku nnyonyi gye byawandiikiddwamu nti erimu olukompyuta lungi. Ekirala bwe tuba twogera ku blast ennyonyi gyekola ng'egudde toyinza kulabawo bantu abo nga bwe bayimiriddewo okujjako nga tewalaba the return of Zwange ndaba abantu ennyonyi ng'egudde. Njagala olabe alignment. Twogera ku align segments abantu engeri gye baba bataddewo. That is AI nti nawe osobola okukikolera ku ssimu yo ba computer. Just kukwata abantu muteeke wano ono muteeke wano ono muteeke wali ono muteeke wali. Gana mawulire ga bulimba gabadde gatambuzibwa ku mutimbagano gwa Facebook. Si kituufu tewali nnyonyi ya Uganda yatuuse bulungi ku ttaka e Sudan. Fantastic.
Naye ng'olowooza lwaki abantu baagala nnyo okuteeka ensi yaabwe wansi? Nikyewuunyisa okuba nti abantu ab'ensi ez'enjawulo eziwabweru baagala nnyo ensi yaabwe, baagala nnyo ensi yaabwe kebeere enjavu kebeere ki, baagala nnyo ensi yaabwe tebaagala kintu kiwulira kyonna kikuba nsi yaabwe. Naye Abannayuganda bafuba nnyo okwagala okuteeka ensi yaabwe wansi, bagirwanyisa buli kirimu kye bavumirira. Tetuganye ensi Uganda si nsi eteredde naye terina ensi zeesinga. So tufube nnyo okulaba nga twagala ensi yaffe ne tugiteeka wansi kubanga ate jjukira buli wava n'ogamba oba n'okola AI n'okola edit n'ogamba nti no b'ennyonyi yagudde oba biki olina engeri gy'obeera okukakkanyamu ensi yo. Neyandiyagadde okulinnya Uganda Airlines atuuka n'atyamu n'ebirala bingi ebigwa mu kkubo eryo. Katweyongereyo n'emboozi ya sisita waffe owulire bambi alaajana.
I'm having dreams that I normally don't have. I've slept at my friend's place for 1 week, and ever since I left that place, I dream dreams nga mbanga ategeera nga ntunula, but then nga ndoota. I don't know, at some time naloota nga it's like as if a man is sleeping on me nga ntegeera, but then when I woke up I realized it was a dream. Naye ndoota ebintu nga ninga ategeera naye ate nga neebase. Man, sebitegeera. I don't know what is happening to me. Simanyi oba it's because I've been sleeping at my friend's place or not. Nekirala, I really want to play with you, like so much. I really want to play with you, but ntera kulaba your statuses kumacha ngotaddeyo like the people you've prayed with. Nekirala, I don't know. The other thing is very embarrassing. I'm 23 and I can't conceive. Like for all these years I've had unprotected sex. I only check for HIV and then HIV and infections, and then I have unprotected sex. So I don't know. I just want to pray with you. Maybe when I pray with you, things will change. I'll get a man that wants me to be with them forever and ever, and then conceive with me. Cause I'm tired. I'm just tired of sleeping with people. I don't know. Doctors told me that if I don't give birth early, I'm going to get like fibroids and semani. I'm just tired. I just want to get a man set to give birth. I'm 23 and I'll be 24 in September. I'm just tired. I'm just tired of being alone. I'm just tired. I just want to have someone. I don't want to cry. Right now, I don't want to cry, but I just can't help myself. I want to have a man. Ever since I started dating at 19, at 18, that's in 2019, and I've never had a man of myself. Every man I have is a man that I share with everybody. sorry, but I just want to have a man of myself. I just want to have a man. Like, I'm just tired of having a man that I have to share with everybody. I don't want to date a married man anymore. I want to have a man of my own. I know I've been strong for all this time, but I'm tired. I just hate crying. I hate crying. I hate breaking down to people because they will be like, I'm pretending, or I don't know, but I just want to have a man of my own, Naj. I'm tired. I'm tired of sharing men. I'm sorry. I'm trying to stop, but I can't stop crying because Naj, I grew up from a Muslim family. I have stopped crying. I grew up from a Muslim family. I grew up with my aunt. I lost both of my parents when I was young, and my aunt only became Muslim because of a man, because she also grew up as a Protestant. And I've grown up, yes, she tried to grow me up as a Protestant. And all that, but I don't know. When I grew up, I found out that religion, Taina Makulu, it's only God and Jesus that have sense. That if I believe in God and Jesus, that's all that makes sense. I don't care whether I'm a Muslim, I'm a Catholic or Protestant and all that. All that doesn't make sense. I don't know if making the decision of not believing in religion has brought me problems or the problems I have in life, but I'm just tired. I'm tired. I've got to a time of thinking that I've got to a time of inquiring people, and then people have told me that, oh, Mani, Teresa Rubale, Simanya, Ona Teresa Rubale will be okay, but then I believe in God. Not growing up, secret, my aunt doesn't know those traditional things, and I don't. Growing up, I've not known those traditional things. Maybe to be together, bukulu that people telling me, oh, Mani, Teresa Rubale, and all those things. I don't know whether I should do them or not, because I only believe in God. But I've gotten to a point that I'm giving up. And that's, I've been in depression and I've not given up, but I'm giving up to this situation of either believing in God or believing in those traditional stuff. I'm just really tired. I'm I'm really tired. I'm at a point where I don't know what to believe in. Whether Smanyanga, Impewazechka, whether in God. I don't know. I just don't know what to believe in. I don't know whether this is too much for you to listen to. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I'm giving you too much to listen to, but ngezeza kwegumya biganye for real. Biganye. I'm tired. I'm tired. Now I'm at a point of I've tried getting a roommate, but then the roommate I got, you know how girls be. Girls ain't easy to live with, of which I cannot also get a male roommate. And I really want a roommate because I'm very lonely. I'm really lonely, and I'm not depressed though. I'm not depressed. I'm just moody, and then I have anxiety. Anxiety just gets into me for. At one time, I tell my friends, you know what, let's go here, and then to be out for just 30 minutes. I'm like, I'm tired of seeing people, and this music is making a lot of noise for me. Let's just get out. Not because I'm tired of the music, but it's because of anxiety. I feel like people are watching me, and these days I don't know if it's I have bad sleeping habits. Trust me, I'm a person that doesn't sleep the whole of the night, whether I have data or not. Because if I have data, better go TikTok scrolling all the time. Even when I don't have data, I'll look into nunda pakasa ko name. I'm getting sleep. Simanyo basimisima about sleep paralysis. I don't know. But when I sleep, I dream. I get dreams, bad dreams. But then I feel like I'm looking. Then I got tunula. But then situnula. I don't know. Muchiro tomba antunula. Nenga in actual sense situnula. And when I wake up, mbanga birosenga antunula. I don't know. I just don't know what is happening to me. I don't know. I just want to join your praying group so bad, but then I don't know how to. Just help me join your praying group, the one that you pray every time. And nagezako kujoininga one time and then my phone failed. I don't know if I have a cheap phone or what. Nagezako joininga one time when I told you and then you sent me a link. Nebigana. I don't know. Cause I don't understand my praying these days. What I'm experiencing right now, it's more like the devil is taking over me. Naj, I don't believe in religion. I only believe in God. But then it seems like the devil is taking over me. I don't want that. I've suffered enough when I'm living. I don't want to suffer when I'm dead. At least let me suffer when I'm living. Let me live a good life when I'm in heaven. When I'm dead, I just want to. Sometimes I just want to die and live with my mom and dad. Stuff seems so hard. Oh, living is just too hard. I just want to die and live with my mom and dad. That's all I want. At least I wish I could go to a hospital or get anything from a pharmacy that could make me die. Every time I try to inject myself with stuff that could make me die, somebody saves me. I just want to die and meet my mom. I want to die and meet my mom and dad. They shouldn't have left me. At least my mom would have died with me in the stomach. Life is just too hard.
Bamika maama nsaba Katonda amugumye amusaasire amugondeze embeera amuvuunise ne byayitamu gwe nawe ng'olina ku magezi bambi nsaba okozese conversation otwe ku magezi okusinziira bw'owulidde story okuva gyetandikidde paka gyesembedde bambi nsaba omwe ku magezi n'ekirala baana mmwe nnyongera bakubiriza mwesabire kubanga bw'obeera weesabira obeera oti musabi nnyo bannange Katonda alina engeri gyakutaasaamu ebintu ebyo gyabikuwugulako mufube okulaba nga mwekwata nnyo Katonda mwekwata nnyo ku ssaala naye nga kyannaku nnyo kyannaku ddala saa Katonda muvuunuse byayitamu nyongera bajjukiza jja na airport pickup tukola airport pickup services zaffe ennungi emirundi gyaffe giri wansi ddala muneesigemba tamuze ku layisi channel media ko kyali subscribe for more updates like share and comment weerabira okunyiga notification bell obenga notified lwenteekawo video empya Jena airport pickup mbalinze tamule ffenna